how to make your very own garlic powder in the Sedona Combo Dehydrator. You can do this with basically any kind of herb and spice that you have at home. I'm going to be using garlic today, freshly washed and chopped, but you could use onion to make onion powder. If you had bulk rosemary, which I know most of us do in the garden, you can just strip it off the stem and wash it and dry it, and you've got a beautiful rosemary powder. Anything to kind of preserve anything that you have in bulk, which saves a lot of wastage, and it's really, really easy in the Sedona. So I'm going to get started. It's simply just washed, chopped up garlic cloves here, and then I spread them onto my Sedona tray. I've chopped them big enough so I don't need a silicone mat or the Teflon sheet, so it's going to dry a lot quicker as well because it's got those holes underneath. But you get the idea. If you've got cloves and bulbs coming out your ears, then chop them up, wash them, peel them, place them on a tray, and then whack them straight in. I'm only using the top part of the Sedona Combo Dehydrator. I've got my divider tray here, so I'm only using the top fan. It's dual fan, so the bottom one's not working and saving me lots of money in my power bills, really, which is what I like. More money for garlic. So I'm gonna put it there, or put it this angle. And here is a bunch that I've dehydrated this morning. You can hear it's really crispy. Tastes amazing. I'm one of those crazy people that eats raw garlic cloves, happily. I know it's quite spicy, but anytime I'm feeling a little bit I always have a raw clove of garlic. Everyone around me hates me, but I love it. It's delicious and keeps those vampires away. So I'm just gonna fold up the tray, pour it in. And I'm using I love this bowl, this attachment on the Vitamix Ascent 3500i or the 2300i or the 2500i. It's just a 225ml blending cup. I'm going to line up those arrows, which you can kind of see if you look at the measurements on the cup, and then you've got the black arrow here. So I'm going to line those up, because if you don't, it won't screw on properly and the machine won't actually recognize it. So not too tight as well, just enough. Got them in there, my little garlic chips. You could leave them like that. Chuck them on top of any kind of soup or any sauce that you're making, but I'm going to make a powder. I'm going to pop them on the machine. It's recognized it. There's no exclamation marks there. So I'm going to pop it on 1 and whiz it up to 10, and we're going to have a beautiful garlic powder for you all. And there we have it. It's super easy, super simple. Try and get it open. Woo! It's like a dust storm. All right, so you can do that with onion, ginger, turmeric, garlic, which is my favorite. But look at that. Delicious powder that I think has gone up my nose a little bit. Happy dehydrating, everyone.